In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Behance Pro for free, utilizing legitimate options. Behance itself is completely free to use, and it offers a fantastic platform where you can create an account, publish unlimited projects, and share your portfolio without any cost. However, many people wonder about the Pro features. These are typically tied to Adobe Creative Cloud subscriptions, which include benefits like Adobe Portfolio, a tool that allows you to create a custom website linked to your Behance account. Furthermore, you get extra storage, fonts, and premium tools from Creative Cloud with these subscriptions. If you're looking to use Behance Pro, unfortunately, there isn't a permanent way to access these Pro features for free. However, there are a few legitimate ways to enjoy these capabilities without incurring any cost, at least temporarily. Let's explore these options. Firstly, Adobe offers a 7-day free trial of Creative Cloud. This trial includes Adobe Portfolio. During this trial period, you're entitled to link your Behance account to a custom website complete with your own domain. It's a great opportunity to explore all the premium features Adobe has to offer without any commitment. Secondly, if you're already paying for any Creative Cloud app like Photoshop or Illustrator, you're in luck because Adobe Portfolio comes included in your subscription at no additional cost. That means you can enjoy the benefits of Behance Pro features naturally as part of your existing Adobe plan. Also, for students or educators, Adobe offers substantial discounts, sometimes up to 60 to 70% off. In some cases, schools or educational institutions may even provide free access to Creative Cloud. If you're eligible, this could be a brilliant way to access Behance Pro features at a significantly reduced rate or for free. Even if these options don't apply to you, remember that Behance itself is packed with robust features that cost nothing. You can still create and share projects, integrate videos, GIFs, PDFs, and link to external work on platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or Figma. Numerous top designers opt to use only the free features of Behance effectively, proving that you can still showcase an impressive portfolio without spending a dime. As you can see, there are several paths to experiencing Behance Pro features, some of which don't require any financial outlay at the outset. Whether you're trying it out via a free trial, leveraging existing subscriptions, or benefiting from student discounts, you've got plenty of options. And of course, never underestimate the power of the free version, which, in the right hands, can do wonders in showcasing creative work. So, go ahead and explore these possibilities to find what best suits your needs. Happy creating!